Hellebores are a genus of perennials, some of which are evergreen, in the Ranunculaceae family. They originated in Europe and Asia, and are mainly grown for their winter and spring flowers. The scientific name Hellebores was derived from ancient Greek and means food to injure or food to kill. These plants are commonly called Christmas rose, Lenten rose or winter rose. There are several varieties available in most nurseries. Some of the most common species are Hellebores niger, also known as Christmas rose, is a clump-forming perennial, with deep green divided foliage. Produces cup-shaped, nodding, white flowers. It blooms in December in warmer climates. Hellebores orientalis or Lenten rose, is a clump-forming evergreen with dense, divided foliage. And produces cup-shaped white, pink or purple flowers. Flowers are sometimes dark or spotted. It blooms from late winter to early spring. Hellebore fetidus or stinking hellebore produces panicles of cup-shaped, pale green flowers. The leaves produces a foul odor when crumpled. Hellebores are hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9. They are best planted during early spring or early fall to give them time to establish their roots. They do well in partial shade and can tolerate nearly full sun. They are best grown under a deciduous tree. Hellebores thrive in nutrient-rich but well-draining soil. They prefer neutral to alkaline soil. Amend the soil with lime if it's acidic. Newly planted hellebores need to be watered once a day. They are drought-tolerant once established. Water deeply once a week to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged or soggy. Fertilize the plants in early fall with a general-purpose fertilizer. Top the soil with a generous layer of compost or organic mulch once a year. This helps retain the moisture in the soil and keep the roots cool. Remove dead leaves and cut off old growth to the base in late winter or early spring. Deadhead any spent blooms to keep the plants neat, or if you don't want them to go to seed. Hellebores are easy to propagate by seed. Plants grown from seed can take 3 years to reach 12 inches tall. They can also be propagated by division in late fall or very early spring before they flower. Hellebores are slow-growing and spread by rhizomes but aren't invasive. Hellebores are prone to aphid attack in early summer. But these pests can be removed by applying neem oil or organic insecticide. These plants are also susceptible to Black Death. If the plant starts to show discoloration or black streaks growing up the leaves or the flowers, it's best to dispose off the entire plants to stop the disease from spreading. Hellebores are toxic to both humans and pets if ingested. The sap can cause mild irritation to skin. It's advisable to wear gloves when handling the plants. Consider adding hellebores to your garden. This is one of the early blooming plants that add color to your landscape. Thank you for watching.